In 2025, hypercars have pushed beyond the limits of speed and technology. These machines are not just cars, they are works of art, combining cutting-edge engineering with breathtaking design. In this video, we'll dive into the most futuristic hypercars of 2025, exploring their power, technology, and how they redefine the meaning of luxury performance. The Bugatti Tourbillon features a hybrid V16 engine with over 1,800 horsepower, an estimated top speed of 280 miles per hour, and design inspired by watchmaking precision with a futuristic aerodynamic profile. The Tourbillon is proof that Bugatti continues to dominate the hypercar world. The Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute features a twin-turbo V8 producing up to 1,600 horsepower, designed to surpass 300 miles per hour with advanced lightweight carbon fiber structure. The Jesko Absolute is built for one purpose, being the fastest car in the world. The Rimac Nevera is an all-electric hypercar with 1,914 horsepower, achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.74 seconds with about 300 miles of range. The Nevera proves that the future of speed can be all-electric. The Lamborghini Revuelto features a plug-in hybrid V12 with 1,001 horsepower, aggressive futuristic Lamborghini DNA, and advanced AI driving modes for track and city. The Revuelto blends raw Lamborghini power with electrification. The Aston Martin Valhalla features a plug-in hybrid V8 with 937 horsepower, aerodynamics inspired by Formula One, and AI-assisted driving with active aerodynamics. The Valhalla is Aston Martin's vision of a high-tech supercar future. The Lotus Evija is fully electric with 2,000 horsepower, a top speed over 200 miles per hour, and lightweight construction with dramatic sculpted bodywork. The Evija is a hypercar that proves Lotus can lead the EV revolution. The Pininfarina Battista delivers 1,900 horsepower in a fully electric package, achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds, with Italian elegance meeting futuristic aerodynamics. The Battista combines Italian artistry with electric power. Current trends in hypercars include electrification rivaling traditional engines, hybrid systems balancing performance and sustainability, and AI integration with predictive driving and advanced controls. Luxury personalization allows cars tailored uniquely to each driver, while extreme speeds are breaking records beyond 300 miles per hour. Hypercars of 2025 are more than machines, they are the pinnacle of human engineering. By 2030, hypercars will evolve with solid-state batteries, full autonomy for safety, and even more aerodynamic innovations. These cars will remain symbols of ultimate performance, combining sustainability with breathtaking speed. The hypercars of today are shaping the roads and racetracks of tomorrow. Electric SUVs are no longer just about eco-friendliness, they now represent luxury, power, and cutting-edge technology. In 2025, automakers have introduced stunning electric SUVs that combine futuristic design with incredible performance. In this video, we'll explore the top electric SUVs of 2025 that are transforming the future of driving. Performance: 0-60 miles per hour in under 2.6 seconds, the fastest SUV in the world. Range: over 340 miles on a single charge. Interior: futuristic cockpit with yoke steering and panoramic windshield. Technology: advanced AI-powered autopilot and full self-driving features. The Model X Plaid proves that an electric SUV can be both a family car and a supercar. Design: bold, futuristic look with luxury-focused detailing. Performance: dual-motor all-wheel drive with 610 horsepower. Range: up to 300 miles per charge. Luxury: spacious interior with premium materials and ambient lighting. The iX M60 combines German engineering with electric innovation. Performance: up to 496 horsepower in sport mode. Range: around 300 miles. Tech: virtual cockpit, AI-powered infotainment, and advanced driver assistance. Luxury: refined cabin with sustainable, eco-friendly materials. Audi proves that electric SUVs can be elegant, powerful, and environmentally conscious. Performance: sports car DNA with instant electric torque. Range: around 300 miles. Design: sleek, aerodynamic style with Porsche luxury touches. Interior: digital cockpit with sporty seating and premium details. The Macan EV blends Porsche's racing heritage with a sustainable future. Performance: dual motor system with over 500 horsepower. Range: up to 350 miles. Luxury: 56-inch M-Bucks hyperscreen across the dashboard. Comfort: spacious first-class seating with AI-assisted climate and entertainment. The EQS SUV is a masterpiece of futuristic luxury. Performance: 835 horsepower and off-road capability. Range: up to 316 miles. Design: rugged yet refined, built for adventure and luxury. Features: adjustable air suspension, gear tunnel storage. The R1S shows that electric SUVs can conquer both city streets and wild terrain. Performance: over 600 horsepower with a top speed of 161 miles per hour. Range: around 373 miles per charge. Design: futuristic hyper SUV styling. Technology: advanced AI, LiDAR sensors, and immersive digital displays. The Eliter combines the soul of a supercar with the practicality of an SUV. High performance: EV SUVs now rival sports cars. Long range: over 300 miles is becoming the standard. Luxury interiors, premium materials, and AI-powered personalization. Sustainability: focus on eco-friendly designs and recyclable materials. Smart tech: autonomous driving, predictive AI, and immersive entertainment. Electric SUVs of 2025 are a balance of power, sustainability, and intelligent design. By 2030, electric SUVs will become the new standard for families, adventurers, and luxury enthusiasts alike. Expect faster charging, greater ranges, fully autonomous driving, and AI-powered interiors. The SUVs of today are paving the way for a cleaner, smarter, and more exciting future of mobility.